Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Seville Outdoor Dining set. In the Seville Outdoor Dining set we'll find an oval dining table that's available in 2 sizes, as well as a round dining table and a dining chair to match. The Seville features an aluminium frame and resin wicker which is durable, fade resistant and easy to maintain. It is also known for its longevity. All of the tabletops feature a scratch and heat resistant tempered glass sheet, and the chairs are accented by a weather resistant seat cushion. The Seville garden set comes in this beautiful beige colour, and this is the only colourway that this set is available in. This would be a perfect addition to any garden, big or small. The round table measures at 140 centimetres in diameter, seating 4 people. We also have 2 oval tables. One is measuring at 180 centimetres in length and the other one measures at 230 centimetres in length. The Seville garden set oozes class and style. You can transform your garden with the Seville set this summer by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.